This 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108DS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, Skylight, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, slide-out, spare tire kit, refrigerator, external shower, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108DS is 4,291 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.